So in this lecture session, let us solve a few problems from the third exercise from the NCERT textbook of class 11. So let us go to problem 12. So we need to prove that sine square 6x minus sine square 4x is equal to sine 2x into sine 10x. So how do we do this? So I have written 4 formulas here, and we need to use these 4 formulas to prove LHS equals RHS. Now this is of the form a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. So I write it as sine 6x plus sine 4x, and then sine 6x minus sine 4x. This is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So here the third formula, sine x plus sine y, this is of that form. So what is the right hand side? It is 2 sine x plus y by 2, 6x plus 4x, which is 10x by 2, into cos 6x minus 4x, which is 2x by 2. And then I have sine 6x minus sine 4x, so which is 2 cos x plus y. So 6x plus 4x is 10x by 2 into sine 6x minus 4x, which is 2x by 2. So 2 5s are 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So what do we have? We have 2 sine 5x, and here I have cos 5x, I'll write it here, and then this 2 here, 2 sine x cos x. Now we have the formula sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So here I have 2 sine 5x cos x, so theta is 5x, so which is sine 2 theta, so you get sine 2 into 5x, which is 10x, and here 2 sin x cos x is sine 2x, so I'll write it as sine 2x. So we have proved LHS equals RHS. The 13th problem, so we have cos square 2x minus cos square 6x equals sine 4x sine 8x. Again, this is the form a square minus b square, so I can write it as a plus b into a minus b. So we have the LHS a plus b cos 2x plus cos 6x cos 2x minus cos 6x. So here I have to use the first 2 formulas. So here x is 2x, and instead of y I have 6x. So the first formula here, we get 2 into cos 2x plus 6x, which is 8x by 2, into cos 2x minus 6x, which is minus 4x by 2, into 2, the second formula. I have a minus sign here, so let me include a minus sign. Sine 2x plus 6x, which is 8x by 2, and sine 2x minus 6x, which is minus 4x by 2. So 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. So we get 2 cos 4x, and we know that cos of minus theta is cos theta, because in the fourth quadrant cos is positive. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, because sine is negative in the fourth quadrant. So cos of minus 2x is cos of 2x, and I have a minus sign here. 2 into sine 4x, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, so this is going to be minus sine 2x. So minus into minus will become plus. Alright, so it is 2. So now let me combine sine 4x cos 4x. I'll write it together. Minus into minus is plus, so I have this 2 sine 2x sine 2x cos 2x. So this is of the form 2 sine theta cos theta, which is sine 2 theta. So sine 2 theta, twice 4x is 8x and twice 2x is 4x, so sine 4x. So this is RHS. So very simple problem. I just need to apply the formula, one of those formulas, and you will get the answer. The 14th one, sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x is equal to 4 cos square x sine 4x. So here I have three terms. So now let me take the first and the third term. So we have sine 2x plus sine 6x. So let me consider the first and the third term. So this is of the form sine x plus sine y. So I use the third formula here, which is 2 sine x plus y by 2, 8x by 2 into cos 2x minus 6x, which is minus 4x by 2. So 2 4s are 2 2s are. So this is 2 sine 4x. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So I write this as cos 2x. So now I'll include the second term here. So now sine 2x plus sine 6x is 2 sine 4x cos 2x plus 2 sine 4x. Now among these two terms, 2 sine 4x is common. So let me take 2 sine 4x common. So I get 1 plus cos 2x. Now in the right hand side I need cos square x, and we know that cos 2x is 2 cos squared x minus 1. So I substitute for cos 2x. So this is 1 plus 2 cos squared x minus 1. 1 and 1 gets cancelled. So I have sine 4x. 2 into 2 gives me 4 sine 4x into cos squared x. So this is the RHS required. So all the problems from 16 to 21 are very similar. So let me take problem 17. So we have sine 5x plus sine 3x by cos 5x plus cos 3x equal to tan 4x. So I need to prove that this is equal to tan 4x. So sin x plus sin y, use the third formula there, 2 sin 5x plus 3x, which is 8x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x is 2x by 2 divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x, use the first formula there, 2 cos x plus y by 2, 5x plus 3x is 8x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x is 2x by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 2 4s are 2 and 2 again get cancelled. So you have sin 4x into cos x by cos 4x into cos x. So cos x gets cancelled. Sin by cos is tan, so you have tan 4x. So we'll solve the 20th one. Prove that sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin squared x minus cos squared x is equal to 2 sin x. So to solve this problem, let us use the fourth formula there. Sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y 4x by 2 into sin x minus 3x, which is minus 2x by 2 divided by, let me take minus sign outside, so I will get cos squared x minus sin squared x. So 2 2s are 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so you have 2 cos 2x, sin of minus x is minus sin x minus, so why have I done that? The answer required is 2 sin x, so cos 2x has to be cancelled, and we know that cos square x minus sin squared x is cos 2x. So I can write this as minus of cos 2x. So minus minus gets cancelled, cos 2x, cos 2x. So the answer is 2 sin x. So let's take the 23rd problem. Prove that tan 4x equals 4 tan x into 1 minus tan squared x divided by 1 minus 6 tan squared x plus tan power 4x. To solve this problem, we have to use the formula tan of x plus y equals tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. So there are different ways of solving this problem. I can either split 4x as x plus 3x and again split this as x plus 2x, split this as x plus x, or we can either split 4x as 2x plus 2x and then again split 2x as x plus x, x plus x. There are different ways of doing this problem. So using this formula we can easily get the answer if I split 4x as 2x plus 2x, because that looks easier. So tan 2x plus 2x. So here x is 2x, y is also 2x, which is tan 2x plus tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan 2x. So what is tan 2x? Tan 2x is equal to tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan squared x. So wherever tan 2x is there, I will substitute this, right? So here we have tan 4x is equal to, so tan 2x is nothing but this. So you have tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan squared x plus tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan squared x 1 minus tan 2x the whole square. So this the whole square, tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan squared x the whole square, right? Because this is tan 2x. So now let me again substitute this here, write it here on top. So what is tan 4x? So here the denominator is the same, right? So if the denominator is the same, I can add the numerator. So we get 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan squared x divided by, here I have 1 minus 2 tan x the whole square divided by 1 minus tan squared x the whole square, right? So you have 4 tan x by 1 minus tan squared x. So now here let me take the LCM. I get 1 minus tan squared x the whole square minus 2 tan x the whole square divided by 1 minus tan squared x the whole square. So both of them are in the denominator, so one of them gets cancelled, right? So you have 4 tan x by 1 into, this goes on top, 1 minus tan squared x divided by, so I have to take the square of this. This is of the form x minus by the whole square. So you have a square plus b square minus 2ab tan squared x minus 4 tan squared x. So what do we get? 4 tan x into 1 minus tan squared x divided by, so it is 1 minus 2 tan squared x minus 4 tan squared x is minus 6 tan squared x plus tan power 4x. So that's the RHS required.